Pirates and the Oakland Athletics.
File away that bottom of the strike zone call for later. We start in the bottom of the sixth, not just because Oakland is having a tough time on the mound, but because I want to highlight a smart play by Andrew McCutchen.
And he walked him, and McCutchen gets the ribby.
This is another case of the broadcast graphic getting confused, displaying a solid dot on a pitch that per the numbers is not in the strike zone. But someone in the dugout or clubhouse looking for the solid circle isn't going to realize that. For this particular pitch, the circle so happens to fall outside of the box, but remember the real-time box isn't always accurate.
Walked him, tie game!
To the next batter, the horizontal is more reliable than the vertical, but nonetheless, for our analysis, due to the aforementioned graphic error reasons, we go by raw data. Now here's McCutchen's heads-up play to get Pittsburgh a run.
A fly ball to right, we'll see. Hedges does not run well. He's going to try to score. The throw goes to third, and he's going to score, and the Pirates take the lead.
This is a time play, and y'all can talk about the outfielder's decision to throw to third all day, but I'll talk about the umpire's responsibility. Your plate umpire has one role. As soon as Visconti reads the ball is going to third, even fooled the camera operator for a second there. He lines up the base touch at home plate with the potential tag at third base so he can see both. With one out, an inning-ending double play means that if the runner touches home before the other runner is tagged out between second and third, that run will count. McCutchen, the smart play here, is to get in a rundown, which is exactly what he does to buy the other runner more time to touch home plate. Pirates take the lead on this play. It's a very smart one, but if you're Oakland, it's super frustrating. And that frustration is about to boil over.
Toward third. When the ball... That's what I mean.
After a check swing ground out and line out, there's going to be a strikeout that Kotsay has had enough with.
Fairly shallow fly
The
ball.
first pitch of the at-bat is at the top of the zone to get the call, and the last pitch of the at-bat will be at the bottom of the zone to get the call, not that one.
Got him looking, and that might be...
Stretch in Pittsburgh, and the Pirates lead it 4-3.
Visconti listens to the batter, and again we have that sight line with Kotsay, who gets tossed during the inning break.
There's the heave-ho.
Kotsay just making sure he's gonna get his money's worth. But you can understand the frustration from Mark Kotsay. Some close pitches.
The ejection pitch is one of those again that this time the box is wrong. The numbers want this to be a strike. It's at the very, very bottom of the strike zone, but the box, which is cutting through the pitcher's head, is not accurate.
Fujinami. But you can understand the frustration from Mark Kotsay.